Hello friends, today we are going to see an amazing opportunity where you can learn cloud computing for free. First head over to Google and type Google Arcade. Click on this first appearing link and you will be redirected to this page, and click on this click here button and you will be redirected to this arcade page. Twice a year the Google launches arcade program where you can learn cloud computing for free by doing the skill badges, where you can learn all those things practically by performing labs in GCP. First of all, enter your email ID here and click on the subscribe button. Then it will appear as thank you for subscribing. Then afterwards, by completing these batches, you can earn a badge where you can share it on LinkedIn. If you scroll down, it is appearing the arcade facilitator. First of all, let us see what is arcade facilitator. If you click on this link, you will be redirected to a page like this, where Google Arcade Facilitator 2024. First of all, let us see what is Arcade Facilitator. The Arcade Facilitator program is a gaming campaign where technical practitioners of all levels can learn new skills like computing, application development, big data, AI/ML, and earn badges and points to use towards claiming swag prizes and Google Cloud goodies. As they are saying, you can learn skills like computing, application development, big data, and AI/ML, and you can earn skill badges and even points to use towards claiming swag prizes. If you click on this enroll button, you will be redirected to this page where if you click on here again, then a form will appear in front of you. First of all, fill here with your email ID. If you click on the next button, you will be appearing this page where you can enter your email ID, full name, gender, country, everything. Here they are asking need a referral code. Yes, you required one referral code which I will be providing in the description of this video. You can use that referral code and you can enroll in this arcade facilitator program where you can gain lots of swags. You can see here these are the swags of previous arcade program. This year there will be new swags and new goodies you can earn by completing skill badges, and you can earn points through them. With those points you can redeem these swags. If you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be seeing you in the next one.